My client doesn't want to show up for trial. He wants me to try his case without him being there. What do you think? You think it'll work? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. My client's case is coming up for trial, and now he calls me on the phone and says, listen, Gerry, I don't want to show up. I have too many things to do. I'm too busy with work. I'm too busy with other things to do. I can't spend the time to come into court and now take time away from my family and my business to come into court. You try the case without me. You think that's going to work? The answer in New York? Absolutely not. If you're bringing a claim for a medical malpractice case, for an accident case, or even, God forbid, a wrongful death matter, if you as the client don't show up, what do you think the jury is going to think when now we go into court and you don't show up? Maybe you show up just for your testimony. Do you think that they're going to take an interest and want to award you and your family money, compensation as a result of whatever occurred to you, as a result of somebody else's carelessness? If you don't take an interest in your own case, why should the jury take an interest? Now, this is something that comes up frequently with doctors in a medical malpractice case. Doctors cannot often take off the entire time to participate in the defense of their trial. Instead, they're going to come in often for the opening remarks, for the closing remarks, as well as when they're called in to testify on their own behalf. The defense attorney turns around and tells the jury during jury selection, listen, I want you to know that Dr. Jones can't be here every single day. He's busy seeing patients, he's in surgery, and now he's unable to physically come in every single day. But he's very interested in the outcome, and he's very interested in defending himself. So if you as the injured victim pick up the phone and say, Gerry, listen, I'm simply not coming in, the jury is not going to take an interest. They're not going to be interested in what you have to say because it sounds to them like you're not interested at all. And if you're not interested, why should they be interested? So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.